Hello, sweet friends. Welcome to Carol's Craft Cottage. I'm so delighted to have you join me today as I share with you some projects that I created using Scrapdiva design dies. For today's dies, I am featuring this one's called the Cute Bear from the April 2024 release. And I will share with you what you get in this die set. And there are two bears in two sizes. The larger one, you get the face, you get the background. These two pieces are to decorate the ears. These two hearts are for the cheeks. This is the nose, this is the mouth, these are the eyes, and then you get the paws and a nose. So that's the large set, and on this side is the smaller set. Again, you get the background, you get the cheeks, these are the eyes, the nose, the little mouth, and then these are the paws and the heart for his nose, two little pieces to decorate the ears, and the face. So there's several dies that you get in here, and you also get two sizes. All right, I pulled out this one. This is one of my favorite dies. I like this one. This is called the Loaded Pocket Small. So I used this portion of the die set with the doily around the outside. And of course it's got the pocket and a piece to decorate the pocket. And then I also pulled this oldie but goodie out because I really like this little let's see what it's called. It's called a 3D gift purse. I love this little purse. So I pulled this one out. This is something that was released for Christmas. As you can see, it's got pine cones and stuff. But I used it for my bears. So I will have links to those dies in the description box below to make it easy for you to shop. And they are affiliate links to the dies. Doesn't cost you anything to use them, and when you do use them, it helps me and my channel, and I appreciate it so much. And you can also use Carol 10 at checkout. So before I pull my projects here into view, let me just say, if you are new or this is your first time here, my videos feature lots of paper crafting ideas and tutorials. If this is something you enjoy, won't you consider subscribing? I'd love to have you back. And for all my returning subscribers, thank you so much. I appreciate your support and comments. So here we have the little bear. So there's two sizes, and the little bear fits perfectly on the Loaded Pocket Small, as you can see here. I did put a little heart around him and mounted him on the little pocket. And this is the one that I showed in my samples, and I made one in the color of a bear. This one's just some designer paper. This is craft paper. And I think he's so cute. I love this little project. It's adorable. And it fits a little keychain. So it makes a cute little gift presentation. And I did use Scrapdiva Designs heart, it's called Scalloped Heart Cutout Bow Set, and this is a small one in the set. I did use that, and I also did use the rose petal flower die, and I think this came out adorable. And that's the back. I didn't put any paper on the back, but it's really super cute. All right, and for the large bear, I put him on the 3D gift purse die. I think this is so adorable. And this is also one that I had for the sample. I used it on this. It's adorable. This is the rose petal flower die again. And I just used some dies from my stash for the background. And also a bow for my stash. Cute, right? Love that. So adorable to put a gift in it. And here is the other large bear that I made, and he is made on craft paper. And I did distress with vintage photo around the edges to give it some shading. That's why you can see the shading in there. Really cute. And this is super nice for putting a gift in and giving it for Mother's Day. Or I was just thinking how cute this would be. This right here would be really cute for a baby shower gift, or for your baby shower favors. It would be so adorable. Our baby shower is airplanes, so I can't do bears. Otherwise, I would do these because I think they're so cute. All right, so that's my project for today. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you have any comments or questions, leave them in the comment section below, and I'll get back to you as quickly as possible. And until next time, remember to sprinkle kindness like confetti wherever you go, and happy crafting. Bye-bye.